Alright, just got a package from Parka. It's a new backpack. My last trip, my backpack broke, so I was sitting there on Facebook and I found this and it had a 70% off sale. And I figured, what the heck, we'll get it and we'll see what it's like. The last backpack that I got, this broke. Seems a little stronger. As you can see, it's got that nice little gripper. Nice little storage pocket. A little storage pocket. Nice outdoor storage pocket. Wow, another storage pocket. A laptop pocket. Entertainer pocket. That seems a little small. There's a lot of straps on this thing. Fits, holds an Algae. It's got a nice fancy colored buckle with a whistle. Adjustable strap to fold up next to your back. Hooks. Nice little strap to, I don't know, attach your poles or something. Strap here at the bottom for your sleeping bag, blanket. I don't know, whatever you want to stick in there. Hooking straps. More pockets. Get another wee little pocket in here. So I'm definitely a little skeptical of how well this thing's going to work once you take it out and start using it. It feels really sturdy. It feels like it's a good backpack. I'm not noticing any torn seams or loose threads in it. And the pockets are nice and big. And the outside actually does feel like it'll repel water. So it's about $45 on the backpack. The package says $10. Not a bad little backpack. Excited to take it out and try it out.